If you're a recent grad, you might be wondering how you can possibly fill an entire cover letter talking about your experience. But companies are looking for recent grads with ambition and fresh ideas, and your cover letter is the best place to show just that. I'm Anna, a professional career writer at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a cover letter that showcases your unique qualities and gets you hired as a fresh graduate. Let's get started. Before we talk about the specifics of what your cover letter should include, let's take a minute to review the purpose of a cover letter in the job application process. A cover letter gives you the opportunity to give context to what's on your resume and present the version of yourself that will impress the hiring committee. You're trying to tell a story about how your experience aligns with the position you're applying for. Keep in mind that idea of storytelling as you begin working on your cover letter. As a new graduate, it's especially important that you write a unique cover letter for each job you apply to. I know that can seem like a lot when you're trying to land your first job, but you don't want to leave any room for a recruiter to dismiss your application because they see a generic cover letter. Copy-paste cover letters signal that you're not interested in the job enough to think about how your experience aligns with the position. Take the time to thoroughly read the job description and write down a few ideas about why you're the perfect candidate for the role. These points will serve as the basis of your cover letter. With your ideas in mind and a thorough understanding of the position, it's time to start writing. Start with a formal salutation and address the letter to the hiring manager by name. Avoid using phrases like "to who it may concern." If you can't find the hiring manager's name, "Dear company name hiring manager" or "hiring team" will do the trick. From there, introduce yourself and demonstrate your interest in the position. Then, summarize your experience and relevant skills from internships, courses, clubs, and anything you can think of that relates to the job. The concluding statement shouldn't be pushy, but it should signal your interest in an interview. Something like, "I look forward to hearing from you," or "I look forward to discussing the position further." End with your signature and contact information. Finally, don't forget to proofread your cover letter before you submit. And take a moment to make sure your formatting is clean and professional. Resume.io's cover letter templates can make it easy to try out different styles. Just because you're a new graduate doesn't mean your cover letter can't shine. By following these tips, you're one step closer to landing your first job. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more career advice for recent grads.